Car crash. Betty's car crashed into another car on the highway. The driver is talking to her. Are you all right? I hope there are no injuries.
Why did you turn left without signaling? If I hadn't braked sharply, it could have resulted in a serious accident.
My sincere apologies, but it wasn't entirely my fault.
Wait, are you implying it's my fault?
Oh no, that's not what I meant. A deer suddenly leaped into my lane, and I had to swerve abruptly to avoid hitting it.
A deer? That sounds a bit far-fetched, don't you think?
I swear, it's true. It bounded across the road unexpectedly.
I don't care whether you are telling the truth or a lie. My car is badly damaged. You should take responsibility for it.
Absolutely. How badly is your car damaged?
The engine is functional, but the rear mirror is completely shattered, and the hood is visibly bent.
How much compensation do you require?
I'm unsure. I'll have to take it to the garage for a detailed evaluation. You should accompany me for that.
I'm in a hurry. Is there another way we can handle this?
I'll call the police.
Come on, let's try to resolve this ourselves.
Please provide me with your name, phone number, and address. I'll forward the repair bill to you.
Excellent. Thank you for understanding.
Remember to exercise more caution while driving in the future.